Don't mind the background noise, but I'm going to be showing my 3D printed stuff. First is this small dragon. Next is this dragon. And the side is blue and the side is green. This star, and you could do that and switch it around. Finally, my big one. Big dragon. Her name's Lavender. Okay. And then we had carnival week at my camp, and I got to dunk people, but my sister, for prizes, she got this golden dumpling. And then I got this squishy. It was for me, if I tell the truth. Okay, bye guys.